It was really good to know my teammates, to be with them, to training with them. I'm really surprised with the intensity of the training. It was really good to start here. I already know most part of them, because I watched two games. Bayern are really good, the twins too, small off header. All of them tried to help him during the training, so I'm really happy for them. Most part of them speaks in English too, so I speak English. I don't think the language is going to be a problem. Also some translators during the training, so it's fine. The coach, he asked me where I like to play, what I expect from this season, what I expect from me. So it's always important when the coach receives it like that. They are being really nice with me. They are trying to help me. It's never easy when you change club, first days. But I just want to thank them for this first day, and we need to keep going.